resettlement site was initially being constructed to relocate the Dumasi town. Structures at the place are yet to be completed to settle the displaced people. Having taken over the facility, government is to see to the completion of the project with roofing, furniture and fittings, roads, water and electricity, among others. With this, the Minister for Lands and Natural Resources, Mr. Samuel Jinapo, said some building materials donated would be used to complete the structures for the people before the rains come. The minister responded to the question of whether work on the proposed green and sustainable community would begin soon and whether there would be equity, fairness and justice in the allocations.
Resettlement sebi enye Appaitse man for die obi eni ho a yede ne ba akotena ho a ebetima akoba se saa dan yede na akotena mu no aba bedane ne die ana ya chinanko ye beka se yesi ye kuro no wie nti ye mfiri ha ne enkotena ye kuro ni ma na eno abaye manso da bi edan no eye FGR for die e ba bi asebi obetimi di muti ato animanim ya ensuo meham ana se enkofa yareboni ana se how bia amremo.
According to the Appaitse Reconstruction Committee, the Dumasi resettlement site can accommodate about 800 displaced people.
Mubetimi every insuo yimu ewo tent ni mu no akomu ansana yasi edan no a omampanyin si yentetere yasi ekuro na omampanyin si yentetere mamo no.
The chief of Appaitse, Nanakwejo Bremibi, thanked government for the efforts so far to lessen the burden on the people. Work on the Dumasi settlement begins on Monday, February 28, with support from Tropical Cables, the Forestry Commission, and others.